In this class, we discuss about neutralization reaction. First, we take some basic solution in a test tube. So here, if you observe in this test tube, I have took some sodium hydroxide. To this sodium hydroxide, now I am going to add few drops of methyl orange. So this is the methyl orange solution. Now this methyl orange solution I am going to add to this sodium hydroxide solution, that is base. What is the color change in the basic solution? In the previous class we have already discussed it. That means when methyl orange is added to a basic solution, its color changes to yellow color. Now, now to this yellow colored solution, I am going to add few drops of acid. That means any acid you can take. To this solution, I am going to add few drops of hydrochloric acid. I will take few drops of hydrochloric acid in the So here I have took some hydrochloric acid. Now I am going to add this hydrochloric acid to this yellow colored solution. Observe carefully how the color changes. So gradually we have to add few drops of acid to this basic solution. And we have to observe the color variation in this test tube. See, the yellow color is gradually vanishing. If you observe carefully, the yellow color in the test tube is gradually vanishing. And if you observe carefully, in this test tube, a precipitation has been formed. That means if we put this test tube for some time, so here we can find out the formation of a precipitation. This is called a salt. That means the basic solution has been neutralized by adding acidic solution. So to this sodium hydroxide, we have added few drops of hydrochloric acid. Then in this test tube, a salt has been formed, and also water you can absorb. You can observe the water at the bottom of the test. Clearly, the salt and water formed in this neutralization reaction. Here you can find out the salt precipitation, and here you can find out the water. So in this neutralization reaction, salt plus water has been formed. Try to find out, let us try to write the chemical reaction, chemical equation between an acid and a base. So when base is added to an acid, what will form? A salt and water. So this is the skeleton equation of neutralization reaction. Now let us take an example equation for this. So for a base, we take sodium hydroxide. And instead of acid, we take hydrochloric acid. Gives rise to sodium chloride will form plus H2O, water will form. So this is the skeleton equation for neutralization reaction, and this is an example for neutralization reaction. Same like that, let us try to find out what happens when a metallic oxide is added to an acid. Let's try to find out the skeleton equation here. When a metal oxide is added to acid, what will form here? So in this chemical reaction also, salt and water will form. Observe these two chemical equations. So here in the neutralization reaction, base plus acid gives rise to salt plus water. In this reaction, metal oxide plus acid gives rise to salt plus water. By observing these two chemical equations, we can easily find out, we can easily say that the nature of the metal oxide is base. That means all metallic oxides are basic in nature. What are metallic oxides? Let us take few examples of metallic oxides. That means magnesium oxide, zinc oxide, iron oxide, aluminum oxide. So these are all few examples for metallic oxides. All metallic oxides are basic in nature. So by this we can easily conclude that the nature of the metallic oxides is a base. Same like that, if we take non-metallic oxide, how it will be? When non-metallic oxide is added to a base, same, salt and water will form here also. So observe this reaction and this reaction. So here the reaction between non-metallic oxide and a base to form salt and water. So by observing these two chemical equations, we can say that the nature of the metallic oxide is acidic nature. So by this we can easily conclude that non-metallic oxides are basic in nature. Metallic oxides are basic in nature and non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. What are the examples for non-metallic oxides? Non-metallic oxides, for example, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, nitrous oxide, sulfur oxide. These are all examples for non-metallic oxides. So by these two equations, we can easily conclude that the nature of metallic oxide is basic nature, the nature of non-metallic oxide is acidic nature. So this is about neutralization reaction.